Hi, this is Tony with the Red Power Team. Today we're going to be talking about cleaning out our manifold and the bulk fill on a 2000 series planter. So a couple of questions we get is sometimes a customer will be dumping corn into their planter and maybe they dropped a string down in their corn and it gets plugged into our manifold at the bottom and we're having problems getting seeds out to the row units. First thing I'm going to show you how to do is how do we clean out the manifold without dumping the bulk fill. In order to do that, there's a plug up here on the side. We're going to pull this plug out and then we have a clip. We take the clip off and we're going to use this bar as our shut off. So with the plug out on the side, we're going to take this bar, we slide it in, and once that's in, that just cut the seed off from the bulk fill down to the manifold. At this point, we can come on the back side, and if we have a bucket here, we can open up these doors and we can clean out just the manifold, and we can do that with both sides of the manifold. So we can get in here, we can clean out this manifold. If we need to actually dump out our bulk tank, and maybe we're changing from corn to beans, we need to get the remainder of the corn out. At this point, once we have these doors open, we can even take these off out of our way if we want to, and we can start sliding the slide open a little bit to let the rest of the corn come back out in order to clean out the bulk fill in our planter. So once you're done cleaning out whether the manifold or the bulk fill, we're going to put our doors back in place. We're going to take our slide out, put it back in the holder. And we're going to put our plug back in to seal off our manifold from moisture. Once we've done that, we have now closed back up the manifold on our bulk fill tank on our 2000 series planter. Thank you for watching this video. Hopefully you found the information helpful. Check out our other helpful videos on 2000 series planter on the Red Power Team YouTube channel. Thank you.